Hello and welcome to E-MultiSkills video tutorial. In this video tutorial, we will learn how to back up the database along with data and metadata in SQL format, which can be used for migration or restoration purpose. So the tool which we are going to use is mysql workbench, which is a GUI tool, and it can be used to back up all the individual schema data or any objects like tables or the entire database. So in this demo, what we are going to learn is how to take the backup of all the databases along with their schema, structure, and data. It is very simple. You just click the connections, which is connecting you to the MySQL server. In my case, I have already created the connection. This is the connection name, and once I click it, I'm here onto that particular server. Now there it opens file, edit, view, query, database, server. So you go to server and just say data export. It's very simple. There is nothing great in that. So once you click that, it will take you to all the databases which are installed on to that particular server. In MySQL, it is also known as a schema. So just select the schema or the database which you wanted to take a backup. So I have selected everything. You can see it is saying 121 tables will be backed up. So let me select it once again. 121 selected. Dump structure and the data. And I wanted to dump stored procedure, events, and triggers. I don't want to export it to the project folder. I just wanted to put everything into a file which is in .sql format. So I'll just name it _all and create a dump in a single transaction. Include create schema data and I'm not able to see the option to initiate the backup. So once you go further down, you will be able to see that it is not displaying for some reason. So let me use the tab. So let me go here. Then I select this, go to next, and now I'll say start export. So it is going to execute mysql dump.exe, and it is going to take backup of all the databases which are hosted on this particular database into a .sql file, and the file is this one. So it will show you the export progress as well. I think it is there are a lot of databases involved, so it may take a couple of minutes. So we'll wait for that time. So you can see that it is MySQL dump backup only. It is MySQL dump.exe, and all the options are stored in this particular file. The user which has been used for backing up is MySQL backup 51. The host is on this particular server. Protocol is TCP. Port is 3306. Default character set has selected itself, and it has hyphen databases. I have selected all the databases, and it has finished now. If you wanted to see the content, go to the location over here and just open it. It is this one. So whether you take the MySQL dump backup through the command prompt or through the export data using the MySQL workbench, it is same. But when you use the GUI tool, it is very convenient, and you have some kind of like hands-on from the tool as well, like what all can be selected, and you can see the progress very easily. So you can see it is just MySQL dump only. It is saying create database, and it is a very big file. It has everything like all the data structure and the data dumps. This can be used for the backup purpose as well, and once required, this can be restored either on the same server or other server for duplication of the data or restoration of data on other server. I hope this is going to help, and thanks for watching.